The frozen belt of Orion laid out on the desert floor. The oldest wonder built by giants, or somebody here 12,000 years before. Crouching close as a lion, faces the sunrise with a heart of stone, keeping watch for a colossal scorpion will strike you down with a single blow of its tail.